Did you know that when you view someone's LinkedIn profile, they can actually see that you're viewing their profile? Well, unless you have it in private mode, of course. Now, while you may feel compelled to keep it in private mode while you're searching, this can be another great soft touch to improve your conversion rates. Hi, I'm Deborah Ashley, the LinkedIn Black Belt, and today I'm going to show you how you can set up your profile to be shown in private mode or visible mode. So what you're going to do, you're going to tap into your face. You're going to go into settings and privacy. Then you're going to go into visibility. Once you're there, I want you to hit profile viewing options. You can choose your name and headline to be shown and your image, of course. You can just view by private profile characteristics. So it will either say the school that you attended or the company that you work for, but it will not say the title and it will not show your face. Or you can go into full private mode, which makes you anonymous as you view. So I'll just show you quickly how to toggle it back and forth. As you can see, it saves you whatever you choose to do. It will save, and if you want to go anonymous, full anonymous, it saves.